Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the live function on TikTok even if you don't have 1000 followers. It's very easy guys, very simple, anyone can do it, okay? Let's launch a TikTok app and let me show you. First thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner and hit your profile picture, okay? Then when you're at your profile, I want you to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the upper right. Good. Now you want to click on settings and privacy. When you're in settings and privacy, you want to scroll almost all the way to the bottom and you want to click on report a problem. This is where the magic happens. Don't lose your time on popular on topics. All this nonsense will not help you. You want to go all the way to the bottom of the page and you want to click submit report. I prepare a special message for you that you can change a little depending on your own case, but essentially this is what you're going to send as a message to TikTok. You want to let them know that you're a big live stream creator, you're already proven influencer on other platforms. You can name some of that. You can name the ones that you have the more followers, right? Instagram, Twitter, Facebook page, or whatever, right? YouTube. Then you want to make sure that you include the screenshots of these accounts. You want to show them that you have a huge audience, right, or large audience, and you want to show them that you're doing actually live streams. This is what we message them. I was wondering why I'm missing the live function on my app. And then you want to let them know that you're very successful and influential streamer. And you want to let them know that you're not publishing, random videos here. You're here on TikTok to do live streams as well. So this is the way how they're gonna get the idea that the only way for you to be able to use the app is to be able to live stream. So this is the reason why they're gonna give you the live function even if you don't have currently 1000 followers. And last but not least, you want to make sure that you give them a very strong incentive to give you the function. Do you see my last sentence? My main focus will be TikTok and I would be very thankful if you can give me this function. You see that? So you're basically letting them know first that you're a successful streamer, and second, you're planning to move all of your audience from different platforms here to TikTok, which means a lot of money, because while doing live streams on TikTok you get a lot of tips, and these tips TikTok is getting a cut from these tips. So more money for you, more money for TikTok, everyone wins. So this is how you are going to get the live function even if you have 1 follower on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.